make it dance for my dear uncle. In my head, when you just see me, I go. In my head, when me just see me, I go. Mono SK original collaboration with Tooth of America. Well, Mono SK original, we are entertainment. Tooth of America. Me muke chevi se, em the prochaine comme ta mère. Nous voulons la paix et la joie. Nous voulons la gana et il est Jamila. Nous voulons SK original. Today, we can do what we like, we go
where my shorty's at? One time for your minds. I go with it for a minute. Now, to my niggas on the block, y'all. 1, 2, 3, bring it on, y'all.
Baby, that things you they do me, they make how they feel. Girl, my heart done there for you, my love not real. I promise I'm my
Have a blessed day.
come tell your mama, say you be my wife. Cause I can be your man, and you can be my girl. I can be your man, you can be my girl. Cause I can be your man, and you can be my girl.
My niggas on the block, you know what time it is. Sometimes when I sit down to reminisce about the thing we be to do, girl, give me a kiss. Now we got more things to do. Be Genesis, I be you feeling it. Now I come to think of it. If you marry me, think about the benefits. Where you go get the love plus the promises. Me, I be your man, I go deliver my services. It goes you are too sweet for my comedies. If you my nigga kill beats, give me melodies. Please, if I go wrong, take apologies. I look you no boy, just make a food the penalties. Yeah, I don't guys, that be for you, I keep me this. I'm a Togo Coco Sue, and I be you woody. But yeah, you be and come to woody, but you would be Kassan, and me, you be jealousy. Time changes, what nigga GBT. One time for your mind, make it push it up. I be you know what I mean, make I give it up. I tell this who I never give it up. Make I see your tennis shop, baby girl, show me love. One time for your mind, make it push it up. I be you know what I mean, make I give it up. I tell this who I never give it up. Make I see your candy shop, baby girl, show me love. One.
Baby, the things you they do me, they make how they feel. Girl, my heart done there for you, my love not real. I promise on my honor today by your side. I go come tell your mama, say you be my wife.
Right, so Thursday morning, 4th July 2024.
I can be
Music on the background coming from
my girl,
Michael Owusu, aka Sarkodie,
I can be
and man like Faisal Mugis. That's right. So for the 1 minute after 10, Obusian, we are still live on the radio, and this is how we do things on Thursdays. Wait till me join the show. No what in time? Kessie at the Facebook. I could DH or Facebook. I want Hinkai 93.3 FM. Now over YouTube was Hinkai 93.3 FM. I was subscribing the day in our face. The Kenyan I to us with a mouth. Let me send you a text message. 0533-898-915. When you watching me, they make a do sing this song. So many people they tell me, make I show you, but I swear it be you make my dream come true. She make a God, I know go feel never be true. Then times the brother and the school. You do my love 110. I can't fool you, say that you're not insane. But I'm not to be again. If you're my tata, watch it, tell me something. Hold on, no matter what, so I will be meeting with that. I'll be the what's it. Baby, that is you the do. Make how you feel. Yeah, my heart done there for you. My love not real. I promise on my honor. I promise on my honor. I can be your man. You can be my girl. Right, so daily dose of motivation. Yeah, the bro on 93.3 of and yeah, what I counts like it when the boy he been come on. Now, and my wish is that you wouldn't miss the conversation because it's going to be, I mean, in fact, it's a nice topic though. It's, you know, so we're going to talk about how obsession kills relationship and how to deal with it. So this is what we'll be discussing with counselor. Fine about fast one. I deal with obsession because it kills relationships. Fine. Yeah, just in case you don't know. So stay tuned. Myself, DJ Kobe K, we are ready to keep you in line. Not just saying, would you maybe away? Yes, I'm only agent. Make sure I was fan come on. Wow, the cause of the 3.3 of and I will tell you. Girl, my heart. Right, so mommy, you recall me be a check. Me be a chapa. To me stop and me chow. For still of some Force Ventures. Here no fashion. I send the phone in the name back up a Salum de Gambia. Good morning, Mr. William Beck. I can be your man. Daddy no pimp patrol me chow. And our face good morning, Cassia so and come out. Nanaya, for Bompire Johnson. One natural look beauty salon. Nanaya, I catch a reason, say. If you're a friend, I catch it. And Nanaya, oh, I'm not those spray. You are too sweet. Bichialopa. Like a cute beat, give me melodies. Please, if I go. And for Yanko SD Johnson in Chia Brown Michael. Good morning, Brown Michael. Only Mama Hannah. Mommy, when you watch your papa. You're sure there be a shisha in a day. That's right. Michiaone, girls, Nina. Exclusive beauty salon, good morning. Lizzie's fashion, good morning. Mama Vida with Jubilee Bridge in the Sumpa Channel Pay want to say. And I'll find checkers in so and come on. Parties golden scissors. And then come on, girls, level 360 power mantra honina. Emmanuel Amauga, good morning. Dependable beauty salon, Marshall beauty salon, Charities fashion, Jaji, Wakameni Junction, so quality fashion, our Liberty entrance. Good morning, and come on. So I'm fine. Check us here, be so and come on. Brad David, or your taxi driver, a Pasco, and open Michelle now for you and come on. Obama, and come on. The way you do your things, like the way you say, man. Richmond, Jerry, Apia Amos, Obatampa Jonathan, and in everything you did, and I've Rakwame Kessiani Piero, Chamuna, Yanko Government Hospital, Madam Pat, Madam Maggie, Madam Vera, Nanajwa, Chamuna Pay, Philippa watching Madam Government Hospital. Always be true and see every time I can't Philippa 17. You see, and I will be Hoa, Oshana Mawunya Tom. Philippa Koto 3, Koto a 2 and I will 3. And then we need to add by force. You're touching me, make I don't sing this song. Hey, so many people they tell me, make I show you, but I swear. Right, so the leaders of motivation here, bro, higher 93.3 of us. Your friend Jenny be champion company what you do my love one. I'll bring this song back again. So music from Michael Owusu and Phil Sel Mugis. Because this one my baby. Yeah.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Now, my niggas on the block, y'all. 1, 2, 3, bring it on, y'all. Baby, the things you they do me, they make how they feel. Girl, my heart done there for you, my love not real. I promise on my honor today by your side. I go come tell your mama, say you be my wife. Cause I can be your man, and you can be my girl. I can be your man, you can be my girl. Cause I can be your man, and you can be my girl. My niggas on the block, you know what time it is. Sometimes when I sit down to reminisce about the thing we be to do. Girl, give me a kiss, now we got more things to do. This be Genesis, I be you feeling it. Now I come to think of it. If you marry me, think about the benefits. Where you go get the love plus the promises. Me, I be your man, I go deliver my services. It go see you are too sweet for my comedies. If you my nigga kill beats, give me melodies. Please, if I go wrong, take apologies. I look you no boy, just make a foot the penalties. Yeah, I don't guys, that means I for you, I keep it this. I'm a tobo coco sweat, and me woody. But yeah, you be and come to woody, but you would be Kassan, and me be jealousy. Time changes, what I nigga GBT. One time for your mind, make it push it up. I be you know what I mean, make I give you cup. I tell this I never give it up. Make I see your tennis shop, baby girl, show me love. One time for your mind, make it push it up. I be you know what I mean, make I give you cup. I tell this I never give it up. Make I see your candy shop, baby girl, show me love.
Baby, the things you they do me, they make how they feel. Girl, my heart done there for you, my love not real. I promise
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day. The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Combination and you're complete, so that everybody can see the way the girl do the why me. Hey, you gotta make good use of your space on the floor. This is a 1-to-1 street dance with honey hall. Sooner better, sooner so my party don't be dull. We'll be on the door full sap. Now yanza, banana way. Hey, everybody pay attention to the beat and the rhythm. Banana way. This be the promise, I don't wanna see you standing idle. Banana way. Hey, everybody pay attention to the beat and the rhythm. Chance. And how they waste with your two hands. And you get together and so how they feel the new dance. Papa teach your girl by chance. And how they waste with your two hands. And you get together and so get together. Get together. Get together. Get together. Get together. Oh yeah. Get together. Get together. Get together. Oh, we know our coffee to be a thing, but you're white. You are too much. We now call your dog, call you a little. This time, air too rough. I never go. Come on, jump us. I never go. Jump us. Do they get together? Do they get together? Do they get together? Do the waist down? Do the waist down? Do the waist down? Do the waist down? Do they get together? Do they get together? Do they get together? Do they get together?
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Alright, so new dance from Prayer. Yes, Prayer. O Kamboma, Ubua, But I will back Bubu. Prayer, dear Bubu. cry we ebubu nkete.
Get on the floor. More.
Ade wa ko kroma no say oh.
And feel the new dance.
Say group no.
Girl, by chance.
Emutete a mo person be kan okre. Already we here the project be. We so your project be. Person be solo project be now for you and Asaba back. Why are you lying to us? Group na egu. And ade ba kon sam so mente ase wa Ghana han say. They be me how to be sin gen. Me who group a survive for a decade. Me who be da okroma. Ana bi wa. Nah. Me who group a survive for a decade. Ewa Ghana ha. I mean, you can count the likes of VIP, 55, 4S4, D2, Double. At a point to cry, Miss Vini, we know me a group. They're from D3. Now I'm your mommy and son. Miss Vika home. And Irene and Jane. That is a Fiani Irene Logan. Now we a group. Now my Galaxy. Dope Nation. They only a Busians, you know. I mean, they're still okay, so they are still group. Boy, yeah, boy, that Huta. And I think at a point, Dunsin, so Jina Kakra. Just a Ghana, the group be and you know, Ayana ya dang. Bako girl. Okay, so catch. Oh yeah, catch so jinemu. Catch jinemu. How to be jinemu. Dope Nation jinemu. He for be on the jinemu. Just a sound. Boys here ban and say I'm best where dead people. I'm going to put them po. O time ya. Na me who o time who. Almost so be in the solo projects is here. And he group be gra. Asaka de na group. VVIP. Aha, na VIP. And issues by na ba ko train on na Reg Rockstones and search new mami. Book of Hip Life. VVIP. Reg Rockstone chantro bi wo. Na your more Reg Rockstone we na answer the daily dose of motivation saba. Book of Hip Life. VIP. So initially the group was VIP, as we all know, and the issues, 1 or 2 issues, being a day, and I could drop it out. And I Rockstone say, yo, grandpapa, I'm in family home back home. Now grandpapa back home, or back home who you put, and then VIP. And I'm here, Book of Hip Life. Very beautiful music, very beautiful song. Everything was just on point. Reg Rockstone said something in that song, and I would want you all to listen. Near whom try Reggie a try. After you share group B and imagine group band. Minimum, and I make Sayana say Sikabi, Sisiabi Bemu, and I will be Joby girl, or before be Chico Chuki, Obi Cochantro. Like, what is it? There's a group who beyond to survive like 5, 10, 15 years in Ghana. Oh, come on. Kobe Rana, so send on your group. Yeah. Even Bisakede cry, on your group. Bisakede. Oh, come on. So listen to VVIP, Book of Hip Life. Rockstone rap when you do, and remember what you are saying, Reg Rockstone gangs and Tropana Kwano Chai. Hey, sorry, Papa no Chai.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Legendary, wear down. Real name, my boy never sell out. Shake my hand, we can hang out. We You've been around the world, you're Ginchi. Of course, I was applause. Imaya di Omediani. Reggie, who can you marry the first album Drew? Almost shaking so almost see Jack Muffrey Hall they be. Gana Hana, you walk, Nimayana, you're free, and you Yana, you're okay. Who can you marry your company cheese? Now, Munam Dazi, Namusha, some funny things. Canada Romantic, Shana Mushebi, some need to take violent tea, get one Amutubi. Shout out to all the baller goods. Munam Itanasuna Mutroya One News. Plenty brothers for this game will be lawyer. Tupac
So many years, been around the world, everywhere. Still there for years, still there for you, never go nowhere.
Thought I told you that we won't stop. I thought I told you that we won't stop.
Talking about they spitting bars, Reggie Rockstone, I own 2 bars. We are very, very important people. VVVIP, no equals. Been doing this thing since before the Tego twins. And Shakwa body friend of blessings, strong and healthy.
After Munti Rockstone.
Nosy questions. Now how long you been rapping? Way before your puppy getting driver license. Before Kwalabi Quaxons. Before Pijo Travel Ghana past Dapsons. Before Kwasiasem became nonsense. Zeal to my left, Prodigal AK1 for P to my right. Where cash right, man, that's pretty alright. Then the people that you say as I come join the group, maybe they gon' be fight. Nah.
Obwa, Coach Gagra, Rockstone boy, I had your channel.
AK1 for P to my right. Where cash right, man, that's pretty alright. Then the people that you say as I come join the group, maybe they gon' be fight. Nah, I'm ready to rock, ready to rock. AK1 for
Grandpapa.
Where cash right, man, that's pretty.
Koga grab you on the
maybe they nah, I'm ready to rock, stone. And the people that you say as I come join the group, maybe they gon' be fight. Nah, I'm ready to rock, stone. All devils with my inner light shine bright. Stop. VVVIP, very, very important people.
Reggie Rockstone, Grandpapa. This one there we catch you, Val. We are at show. Obi ayen shot there no. Okay, and one group in the group. Egu. Mentias you, like mentias. Aden, like what exactly is wrong with groups in Ghana? Hey, Obi, oh yeah, group. Now, me on. My little observation is that sometimes say any part two genuinely at your my dream bomb somewhere idea. After friends of both parties, and I separated the whole thing. Before I call motivational messages, so let me deal with this one first. This is my opinion, my sentiments on why groups intimate last year. Fantasy be ameni ko bike ya say ye be a group, ye be ade ba friends from yemienu and they misunderstanding ebe to yen pim. Yes. The reason I make answer say so there was this group a film teams double. Yes. Double na ya woni Pakosi, right? Yes, double. I'm tempted to you know. There was a conversation I had. Na ba ko tikwa na nsin. And one was saying say, "Oh no, and a normal group near group, which is Nanayao, because Nanayao has the voice. Nanayao, oh no, NY, you know. Yeah. He sings very well. It's in, oh bro, Charlie, what I could that group no? What tell why you can survive? I mean, not tell why you do everything, not tell why you do this, because on our voice yet there, on your back there, so no, I just supporting, say. So, Sabi, once you be people will influence you, and you will think, say, I am the one holding the group. My friend or my other colleague won't succeed. Or record on I didn't say. So sometimes it is better you still remain group than doing your solo projects. Yeah, so typical example, Abigail and Afronita. Say, sorry, and you're gonna find a canyansa at the chairman before me na and can call me anyway in team no. After British Got Talent,
na Afronita nanka was all can say na Afronita only talent bia na I mean the people, the judges had sympathy on Abigail because of her story. Yenim Abigail story nti sabe nkwasa sampi adaga na fo chi se nipa mienu de omuti abom na enyoma mo ye ekoye na obi hye baabi na o kire o se nka enya wo part A anka B entimi survive into part A twe ho ne hwe ade sa na etie okrum ha sa na etie okrum nkwasa sem bebre nipa mienu abom na omo ya ade no na abusuani bi ti baabi na me na me wofa na se ya me ne ko bi ke ko baabi we de enkan ba me fa me shem gani tu no nti nkofo bebre talent academy me ne ko bi ke ko baabi na akwala bia yeso onim sapa dance pa ni teacher for nya di ne ho dance here. But there's a particular thing na teacher for no cry try so many akwala na ya omunya akwala ne nya biem adan ya akwala ne ma say akwala no has gotten a manager. The manager ne say he wants oba na bema manager no bema so he won't allow akwala no teacher for nya say onim sa or very good no on allow akwala ne maninsa adan ya odene kwa akra akosa. Look at this stupidness. You see sometimes I am ja say ebi mo de dwe any two no ni ade ebi no da kata ade ebi so na ma obi talent academy. Look at our Mohammed. Me Charlie Mami fancy and I nya motivational message answer be me rera no and can show no and can production. Anyway, she called daily dose of motivations na yeah property. Sa na contact ra o de ye mami twaso. Sa no really empty hit maker. Ya de ma bulldog. Ya dis kaka ho o de ye sa na dwe dan ko for talent academy. Right, so daily dose of motivations. Before you start some work, always ask yourself 3 questions. 1, why am I doing it? 2, what the results might be, and will I be successful? Only when you think deeply and find satisfactory answers to these questions, go ahead. Answer na obeye nyoma bia no. Anamo bia obetu say ejuma eya kwantu eya school eya ware ejuma bia obeye bia no busa ho nsam yesa dedi kan adanti ena wo se meye nyampese meye no the tosumienu se meya result no ebe wie sen the tosumiensa will I be successful? Will it succeed? That is the 3 questions you must ask yourself anytime you want to embark on a journey. Bibia opesa wo ye bia no. Enyoma me ansa we na wo say ubusa ho. Say ade am be no kra, what's the purpose behind what I want to do? Yon go for bebre won ma munim na nti omo ye bibi. People are doing so mo ye bi. Yes. Because you are the palm because there is no option. Ya se men koye nti na mesumi ye bi. Asa obo ye bibi no, di kan busa ho. Say adanti na mpese me ye na mpese me ye na se me koye kra results no ebe den will I be successful? She obusa ho sa questions ni nyina wie na fe unya answer papa edema ho a na fe waye because nipa bebre etu na mo bia ankoye because of decision o make here when busa no ho say ade a me beye anya dan na to bread ni sa ketchup na ade wo woman bi wo no say no so ton nam yes enam na nkoye no o say o trans din ya we say there bi ade ton bia ade ton ma me ton bread ni ade see hwe bebre na sa na bebre na ti o me ton nsuo nsuo na anya ye ntinu mintimi ton hwe biem asa busa ho say nsuo a me be ton yi ebe koye ana enkoye koko a me beton ye si kwan hwa no pebie koko no ebe koye ana we sa ho junction na me di si so no enkofo twam wa ha eto da anya se bia be ye bi na ye business no but the location na wo de wo ton wa de no so account enti busa ho sa 3 questions no ejuma me pese me yi ebe boa me 2 location we ebe boa me 3 me successful ana ti sa busa ho questions we nyina awie na afi hu se ampa ebe ye ya na waye me ka se obi aton koko yesi koko di esika wom e ka se na utimi wo nsuo na wa nunuma na aton ama ne anom ntino osu koye bi te bi bibia techniques won ho obia nimnyansa ode ye na adwuma e wo se usua sa anwoma no nyina wi abusa on questions na wo assess hu wi a na fo to anamo menye bibia keke assess won ho asa wo to anamo bi me da say ye twa ye ho abashisi ayeba ye ne councilor bedi nkomo ene nkomo ne de bi bedi akwachi kakra ye basisi a
se wa fa mukro na yaru be de muntum kura yesu bebrebe ya besi nwe ana
bra kwesi me kunu pnia na epne se me fa ni nkoni krom o ko ni malaria tete ne dodo
ava one herbal capsules ene ne mesha ebubu yare gu for me monte ene mde ade asiemu se ba no koko yare ade a edura ohia ne ava one herbal capsules ebu adwuma pa na ne mesha me kira ava one herbal mesha study malaria sro no kokokoko etu malaria se wenu mu ato awona de umpo mu ayemre Bobby, Omodosu Yana drugstores and herbal shops. Jomo number 05544800062. Avano ye ALVA. Edro inya mapping for. Nyoma ni benu for. Ene ambufra on the fiedumien. Oya malaria test. Nasa ye positive. Wedrani ava one herbal mixture. Wakimoda open dudu etua. Ubehu omo pepiasa mpedu. Omo Akim State College. Junction neso. Abu Main Road neso. Ubenye biswato wa 14 drugstore. Kinop Pharmacy. Ochiniba drugstore. Akim Swedoso. Bosume Pharmacy. Ena Chime Wisasu KB drugstore. Ava one herbal capsules nene mesha peking crime FDA aji ejwedi enkrato yato
mido asa na de fia ehrampa
ha eye ban 20 ena ma efia ehwehwe hwamsa no
eno so ye supira na
eye JA Binding and Co Limited ena wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no enyoma ne se bebre
niema bi te se dan na wo ho
banzo ne nansen kwada enyoma ne ate se wan eye parazo no na me de sie
mido me fan fitira apoto bi de ni nyina afiro na ade ba de na wudi ahohura poto bi de isi
eye akasha no na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia papepata susu nyina so ate se wan no
nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila uhu awowo bia wo fie ha bi
medeta wo eye JA Binding snake repellent na me de atu o ma sesa no
enu omo wo niema papa
ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amede ma wa horo won sai uhu ana ai enu aso na me de wo horo nchasi mu nyina da
ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan fa no mo wo
JA Binding wo mo nioma no ubenya bi ato wakuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabu ase boga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo panido so pomu atua ubenya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no nso from
0242 771 650 and 0247 576 643
me dofo na nso mo din ni body say
eye JA Binding and Co Limited
ja me dru ho sesia
Mafili, esana chile. Hanso ye guy. Minya, bebia obetina jiweni awasu mejo. Ehu hiao. Level 360 pop nkwa. Ena ubenya sa ultimate experience no. Level 360 pop. Ebia na pon ato hama. Obi opeso ye birthday. Obi opeso ye graduation. Metre empon ho. Ana empo birthday bia no. Bra, siketwie bia nim. Na emom obeton sawa ha. Football games bia so no. Bra, na behwe ye was secure car park. Jack, ye security airtight. Ye wa mantra top ha. Fita phone mu ha na be hu level 360 pop Jack ono boys ono girls munyina mo bra ne yegi ni be sere 0540535777 0540535777 na jinchire mu achi me bi level 360 pop e be ma ultimate pop experience
Asam papa bi amati oye Asem pepe bi amati offer Oye,
Mediasem Papa Ben na watia ofa oye. Ye diasem de no.
Oh, minia. HJ Africa. Domini CSR Ghana heya. Eno makabom. Eno ma me how to atwa nei. Metu sa anwum yo. O makofa organic fertilizer ba. Eye wofuo ni ye. Esiesi asase. Epammoa na ma ono ba no. Eso doso.
Kuafo ene ene fertilizer ho ye din. Ye nya bi kura nto ebo no so ayetare.
Enu so tiri mani je essence offer. Kakra bi bottle ba ko 2 acres. Ebeye ne kama na be so se doso. Enu ntina me bo hu dawro. Ediama Ghana kuafo nyina se opo ma kira kwan a from 055 5592707 and I say 05045944469. Any baby I talk where you know maybe
offer organic fertilizer.
As a baby I offer. Oh yeah.
Offer.
Oh yeah.
Offer.
Oh yeah. Offer kakrabis who no buy no.
Hi, you're from your foreman. Mejuma Sweni, ain't obia pemasem. Sa wudi wajuma shaminsa. Mesha se, usika enko waste. Inti, me tomenyo meni na free jump trading enterprise. Mr. Mensa, ana, Chairman Mensa chain. Enti sa upe cement, gasem, diamond, ana se, simaf. Ningina, ubenye bi ato, Mr. Mensa, ana, Chairman Mensa chain. Open nadwa, all inches, iron rods, 16mm to quarter rods, POP, plaster balls, kenoff, papa pani bi, fiber, set tinting anatetia, open barrels, center panels, corner moldings, wall angles, plywood, bind wire, ana empo, opa butchery paint, home champ, big and as a small size. Ningina, ubenye biatowo, Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensa, anasa Chairman Mensa chain, our Kameni Junction, on Ijaji and Editionim, friend 0208 123 872, and 0244 566 880. Jump Trading Enterprise, Mr. Mensana, what's a bra, Nani Buono, edit that form.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Who bets it? Rhythm of the gods. Hello. What's the main guy? I am when I want you. I'm feeling lonely, me I am woman tonight. Baby, I can remember what feeling right. Me didn't remember why you're nice, remember why you're fine. I'm feeling lonely, me I am woman tonight. Baby, I can remember what feeling right. Me didn't remember why you're nice, remember why you're nice. I'm thinking of you, yeah. I keep thinking of you. Of you, yeah. Although I am in a man, me obia. One time me call, I am say I coming, coming. When I woman me feel is a secret. Man say one gonna be a man. I am Miss Avi one for people from. One in the net and I feel my sorry. Could it be the last time you're fighting? No, where you want take excuse me, me. Long time, girl, you know I'm missing you. Me travel for day. Right now, I need to hear from you. I'm feeling lonely, me I am woman tonight. Baby, I can remember what feeling right. On the lonely road, I'm wild, and I don't know when I'm coming. I'm feeling lonely, on the lonely road, I'm wild, and I don't know when I'm coming. I've been fighting with these demons inside. They be killing me inside on the low. They wanna see a nigga retarded. They wanna see a nigga stay low. But I still stay up, I'm shining. I'm living no regrets.
Ya go sign free ke see bi me na yeti. Se mi try me ni hwe. Baby ya na ye fi na hwe dan bi ni baby ya ne mo. Ne yo. Na se mi pia bontini pe un semestre su mi trim we o kumbi su mi membre de aso no onda me mo prim so me tra
de one brand in the bed me kama se man kamunya mu be twa so ni dede
o kan wa se man ka wa sem nya sem ye siru wi ye for brand say ye wu mi pia bele baby am true na mani na ye me wu mi zimi so fam na nya mi shra pra wa no aka eti papa ne bo na ye bia ba fa.
The mid-morning show, have a blessed day.
Baby, mama, this one me wo. See me every day, I'm me mama. I'm gonna grow my soul. Are you gonna stay? I'm doing all I can. To ask you where legal and iron days. Before the sweet times are over. Are you gonna stay? Moving on my hand. To ask you where legal and know I'm late. But if you tell me something, then I'll be okay. It's nice to have you, but I can't continue with these thoughts in my head. You can bring me back to life, which is the word I need. Those fake assurances, they keep me very safe. I be up till the sunset. Before the sunrise, I'm already out here. I don't spend too much time with the bed. No one told me that time was bread. I figured it myself, and I'm trying to make life easy for us. Watch your back and give it that GG when you want it. I'm not here to let you please me, oh no. Say a word, it might complete me, oh. It might complete me, oh. I live deep down in your toxic love city. But I love you here, cause I don't know where to go. Even though you hurt me. I live deep down in your toxic love city. But I love you here, cause I don't know.
Tell me about the beard and any but my new baby can mend my heart. Devoted like I am a religion. When I hit the road, other babies want to come and stay, but I give them one touch and make them go. All the side things just be play, and they know my baby give me vim. Anything I do, she give me vim. I the thank God Almighty. Every day she sugar mighty, my baby. Me the boom, boom, me the boom. For I am in the boom, madam, skolum. Me the boom, me the boom. For I am in the boom, madam, skolum. She like it, how I like him. Slim thing, big bumper. She ride it like a biker. Marvin, energizer, my baby give me vim. Anything I do, she give me vim. I the thank God Almighty. Every day she sugar mighty. My baby give me vim. Anything I do, she give me vim. I the thank God Almighty. Every day she sugar mighty.
My baby, me the boom, me the boom. Alright, so a happy birthday and come on, Ekia Asida Azamati Kisi. Have a happy birthday and come on. Local school or Kendall Royal Academy or class 1 and the your birthday. Oh papa, Samit Kisi. Happy birthday, fan come on. Ekia Asida Azamati Kisi. Happy birthday. Upon your as your father is great, may you also be a great person. Right, so Yanton at the end of Yantuaso. Yana counseling didn't come on. It was last breakfast there. Shall people go chop, you know saying? Right, yan shots here where K Afranin Enterprise. Na me ma wonya we na TCSS Opeka ties at Tom Kwandia. K Afranin Enterprise and there was so called. And I'll say open range cables. The chop perfect hooks, shackles for your team Bakaza. Transformer oils near the K Afranin Enterprise in the Trasamoko. You try to watch him as sending a boabo coin so. Obetimi the income 0537997412. New Dubiasons you will fit him from 0542 889071.
Frempon Enterprise Shabra na bedidwa. Frempon Enterprise ewo nkrabata pi wa chimodan krom ha. Epacho borem na kotoa dia pesa utobia. Your provisions ahodo cosmetics ni ade. Bibibia ubenye bi ewo Frempon Enterprise. All kinds of mackerels, all kinds of cooking oils, all kinds of tin tomatoes. Ningina oba ya Frempon Enterprise a ubenye bi ato ansa. Afei so ope cosmetics product bia no. Frempon Enterprise in a wasoko. Young Krabatani de Bebre. Commanderina Hotel Asia White Bako Ewo Hall, Udru Liberty Lane, Ako na story building the opposite, or Hona electrical shops no and so Ewo, Oba new market and continua, or Honso Frempon Enterprise, be young Krabatani Bebre. Honomono, a woman who Swene Chine, woman SD and Drone, Estate, Bungalow, Continuum, Camp, Top Hall, Jodro, Sakomono, Omongina, Oho, and now Ubia Ekodiga, Papacho. Frempon Enterprise now fe kotonyo mane boyfo na pesi kano bebre metre mfaso no na unsu tv bia bo branza afei udru Absa Bank ni opsita Frempon Enterprise shop foforo na juma anopa area nyumna homache no mepacho ewo shop no yempon Monday to Sunday run shift nti mai wane mema no omugina Wamo aye crowd wamu boy juma de sum ye na ansa enti call Frempon Enterprise say your drinks now pay electrical accessories multi TV decoder DSTV decoder open fridge open fan open TV for the trim our Frempon Enterprise 3102448975525 and 0206473953 0242111236 level 360 pop. Yes, bra. Now my level of energy no enko high. Your level of enjoyment is enko different level. Level 360. I think me pacho sa upe baby. No boys, no girls atena ajimoni. Ope baby, I have a good time. Ope baby, I celebrate your birthday. Ope baby, now that your special occasion. Ope baby, I'm a wonderful and special. Papacho baby, back up yourself call a level 360 pop. Channels are level 360 pop there. A beer pon at home mobia. So we a birthday open home. In fact, program we be an bra. Now over level 360 pop on so. Pacho ye we Gianni ewo ho and Vic the say ope emutsu ope jollof ope fried rice ope plain rice ni ade ope popcorn ningina obenye bi ewo ye level 360 and Vic na chese bibia koso kama pa e dia ma wan sa e pacho ye chira kwan wa chem odan amantra onye duru ope na chese fitafo ne chiwo bo se nkania ye chinya koso mo nkania ye so ni ade ade and to level 360 come and have a wonderful time fail no 05405377 sorry 0540535777 na just one boss the CEO nankasa director Gabi and then in command is at 0540535777 level 360 pop my ultimate pop experience old app Kwanzaa trading wholesale retail of club and Guinness products after so your money na ne boy for answer yes because wholesale prices any amount old app Kwanzaa trading na sha ope alcohol and san anasenia alcohol enimuno for nitrimo old app Kwanzaa trading and pon engagement I fro party bia na moye bia no pacho e bia wan kasa kra na ope bia she fridge ma na ope da ne bo ne da form a obetumi ato a pacho ye old app Kwanzaa trading and na etwa se woko old app Kwanzaa trading e chi kwan in fact one crabatan ye 2 and ye ra kwan kra they did kind way achem across so Otolege information center nature while crossing and I feel back chim so hey and so ya was so mails no mohana be old app Kwanzaa trading my batch of friend was 0549 530462 and na 0534-708-142. Old App Kwanza Trading na Agbene beat na just ya preacher. After yanko Jam Trading Enterprise. Jam Trading Enterprise. Mr. Mensah Oseye. Now there be a me catch you say on. Say Winchirima bebo udimpa na dodo na gine Japade a odija won. There was a time my name grandfather, my late grandfather, he called Sokode. We went to the Volta region. Na Edanya my grandfather yedija no ewo ho. Na cracks were dining. Uti mu ze enche edan kebebu anza. Na asama my late grandfather can say mejawo Japade na dey we. Yes, ne papa man Japade na achia na cracks wo eno. Atana you girl say me ye bugu na yesi fufuro. Easy. I just say me na council ano. Me late grandfather one can sempa fa no. Be pa chobeti ma ya wonzo. Boys wo wuko. Na so uchima won kan ho asempa. Adan because enyoma with the seed dan na with the jawom no. Enya papa. It's by the time I want one kasa be nyi ba beto no. Na ebubu hwe udru across wow ye fe be crossing na abronsan bi si kwan no ma painting say MTN no se Vodafone color one day pa abronsan gram ni ebubu ye enso na ye obi Japade o ebubu wie na hu say ase net kokko ni atade bi hihiem abronsan pa enso we wo wuko samoti ase no me ma bobra me de jam chirima masa wo jom ka wo jom disaster wo jam problems bebre nyankopon cha de se na obi ani abronsan ase anka kapa waswa mebusuafo na nyaka ketwa Papa Choko Jam Trading Enterprise na copper cement with the sedan ko da chimbia unja problems enfama wo chirima and then say na wo see na what ase no wo be kona sa na tie because we got quality building materials our Jam Trading Enterprise Mr. Mensah and to host say na copper cement ahodo bia wo pese wo to afi we a carpenter ni ko Jam Trading Enterprise na ko ton na doa na fa ye nkofo na djuma no ye nka se onsa no adwuma ye fe na de bia ye mfre we are still bender ko to iron ross e wo Jam Trading Enterprise mo with the POP so ye adwuma no mo ko Jam Trading Enterprise afi sha wo pe marine boards open plaster boards open POP center panels corner moldings wall angles ningina obenya ewo ye Jam Trading Enterprise Mr. Mensah the chia kan wa chem odan akamani junction woni jaji in the din hwani mo friend 0208123872 and 0244566880 0244566880 and chani and council kodin komo but mami fanko ODI Electronics I watch modern content police station wa so pe hey we want to come back we can ODI Electronics pe and many koto babu in so like I one can talk say open the love open ODI Electronics so open TV, open air conditioner, fridge, deep freezer, washing machine, rice cooker, blender, ceiling fan. Na bisi kanso no. Epacho ODI Electronics is bra. Na betobi.
let's half. Na half na can when you betre. Which one kakran. Remember to 0550900600. 0550900600. Now, young Connie and the council and couldn't come on.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
And the council in real conversation proper. Now, for in common, I have found what was well from our 93.3 FM. Sakawaba. What's there? What's there? What's there? What's Alright, so they share how obsession kills relationships and how to deal with it. Obsessions. Do you know it kills relationship? Are you aware? You don't know, eh? Oh, sir. I see. So, counselor, I'm here. Nah, you didn't be doing come on. Send them the kind of. If you don't know, it kills relationships. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Now, I'm going to talk because baby now was now what really obsession and the cry there. It's with him. A state of mind in which someone is completely fascinated by and focused on a single thing. We are the ding, what's your tomb? We are the ding, a deal with the. You see, and there are people like that. More relationship with one. Ebi mu de anotime bros wa ma sebe e de ahofno eba. Wa se nipa no ho ofno obi ni ade. But en American me I'm not a proper counselor. I feel nyame ncha de me di proper counselor chi. You know, let's get to him now. Faye, on my proper point from the counselor's perspective. Now, Faye, how it kills relationship and how to deal with it. Counselor Kwaba.
Yeah, Kwaba.
Pacho biaboko.
Oh, nyame adum biaboko now so.
Akopando.
Yeah, what to do the
Sure. And topic in the AM there. Yeah, meet it through. Because sometimes everyone might have a relationship and sometimes I have a friendship crumple and coffee to me. In fact, there are things obibaya or pan, but nama a dono I could dane a hibi, a hofrubi, no be. Yes, it's young real munafe chanya see pa.
Because of a rain and catacrano, I'm praying saying, I mean, they are domna, yes, because a very deep car.
Sure.
I am now, the Nomadi Guanasi and Fan Nomadi Tanawakan. We are trying to explain so many things. But and I mean, follow the now, all canina. But the mechanics and answer maybe 10 MSM in common. So that I can say a map attention and then map attention. Now, attention, I am not that we obsession at semi aircane. The attention a broso. Me using in a simple term. Let's say attention
a broso.
Yes. Let's say Nipano, and I say at the end of Nipano, then I dream in him getting a season. The being to me is some dream. A won't kuana or then I dream in India and I want him to be as you so. If you really come back, pick up and get a kind of area, what to mountain time.
Sure.
And
I don't want to know.
If you dip on to mountain time, the person has become so addictive to the extent that nothing can change his mind or her mind. So now, before I share, maybe live in us, maybe I'm a talker, or don't know, I will be authentic love, whatsoever, they can't send it to you. And then I'm a talker, the open will do, yeah. Do you panel? Send me a wood here. Send me a wood. You have to love somebody for who you are, but don't love somebody for who they are. That is where the mistake is coming from. Come here, I can't say, the make or worry, I make us a corner. Me now bar or sima, yes. Me now bar would find. Me now That is, you are looking for somebody. And you won't know what to say. No matter what I say. At the end of the day, if the person is unable to become who they now expect, you walk away. And then they are breaking it and they break up in relationship because they place their self first. Yes. And yet they are making your selfish interest too. But they look, almost sure, say, it is me. I am men I met two and I'm only say, me pay assume. So I should love the person because of who I am. Me, yes, me, Kweku. And what say me don't who because of you are not coming in to make an extraordinary thing. But you are not coming in to change me completely. Say me Kweku, Kwabna me say me don't. It is neither here or there. So I am loving you because of who I am. The obstacles in life, the distractions, the that doesn't mean the person is not there for you. So who do be and just a time if I don't encounter problems, they are bound to happen. We are human beings, and this is how we are supposed to be. No matter how and I make a barbecue and say, then why do you get upset into somebody or something or in a relationship? If you should understand that that is all, because you can't fix your eye on just one person. That is where the problem comes from. I have dressed, I am going to work, and all of a sudden I meet this nice lady on the road, and something tells me that pursue this person. The person, I send you contact. You are shocking. And what my physical eye saw, my starting minutes did in Como. My started, you said, my community time. But my question is, as of that time now, let you know all Bano. No, so I already said, or the Domiana, was that his and her motive? That's how I came in and they wanted to do one. We sometimes make a lot of mistakes. At the time now, no, you're not into all the door. But that is why we say love grows. And in Kakanga, and on the amount of Musuma Japan, who said, Debbie, as soon as they say, who said, we are all seen and I'm on the real or Yanni Mano. And but what would be a mammy? It's my man so many yards, I didn't be fun and one. I said, he said, my Mr. Martin and Mano. That is how it grows. But sometimes we and I said, yeah, miss the timing, you know, because at the time I will walk up pen on no, if you are not ready. At the time, now those things no any argument, but at the end of the day, I mean it goes along the line. But my main core, how and I say, if you're talking about that authentic love, you are feeling comfortable with the person, being around the person, you feel very comfortable being around the person, and also you have that open communication that they are on the second. These are some of the signs and as the excess of being and as that authentic love. You enjoy spending time together. You know, and I said yes. Now, come on, let me stop looking at the customer. Where the one the mind say being obsessed in a relationship. What are some of the effects? What can it do to you? Again, now send a baby to what I say. Being obsessed in a relationship and yet you market what? Yes, you are too much time. A branch and you can be a baba one to win that. But now, yeah, man, then I can now say, oh, go be at you. But now, I told her, I want to call from the top of the picture. Who won the core of their own person of the picture? Oh, the year or throw, or Kodaria or throw. They say, now, some of why you free crowd and then you want to crowd as you know. They say, every moment of your life is being monitored, and they call it attention. But in actual sense, it is an obsession and yet attention. No, come now, make a press the cap the sea. It is a come now, make quite you remember nothing, Mr. Cassie. Now, many are brave to Indian, no, yet. Come now, you call. The new come now, who a Jumamua would have to be one who receive a call. How are you, or how would you be able to receive an answer to talk to your dear one or your loved one. If the person does not understand you, then definitely there's going to be a problem. Me yeah, Jumana me be face kaba no. What say there be thinking out here? I want to hear from you. I want to talk. I want to know where your whereabouts. I kind of tell you. Then it becomes something else. Let's say the idea not to know. You free attention more. And a baby and a flow want to say a year. You born come over 5 minutes. Okay. Sister me kwaba bra me kwaba. But could do a doing. You know my work is very serious. It doesn't even permit me to even use phones. But if I'm not attention out here, find a way and talk to me. Then you are putting me under intense pressure. But they're not letting me run on that. But one way you're coming to me from the one. So when we talk about the effect of obsession, who could do some stage now, it becomes a syndrome, it becomes in one way or the other, it becomes an issue. When you are too obsessed with somebody or something, then it becomes an issue because without that thing, it can never, like, you are not yourself. If you don't hear from the person or if you don't, then it becomes an issue altogether.
What happened?
We are going to talk about some of the dangers of obsession. Come here, say, who could be given in the relationship? A branch, and we are watching say, ready or not, and you. The DNA will be seen point. The DNA will be seen in them. But now it's flowering. But now it closes so many opportunities around you. It closes so many opportunities around you. That is the best I can say. Because but now the person you are obsessed with. Why what they say? As soon as because no. If you were looking for a fair lady, you were looking for a dark lady, somebody with muzzle, somebody with a six pack, whatsoever, somebody with a good behavior. But now, and do you think that this person is going to be compatible? Where do you but meanwhile, there might be Opia or Chamua, Nanko, and I'll bet you in Nashiabum, or no more, and I had the best choice for you. But you have closed your mind because the moment that we buy a pet, you think that I am okay. This is my final destination. The musician in the musician in the Yababa was 10 grams or a branch here with the Messano, maybe a machine for a branch here for Yamamato. The need to do for Netaswa, but I got him up a year, the new movie, a year if you may Yako, cancel the Momone at the other. So, it's you say, maybe you should be here. So, if you come now, this is my Jamaican say, when you are too obsessed, it closes a lot of opportunities around you. It's flowing, and my own to me, and you when you around you. That person you think that you found, yes, you might be lucky enough. When you met me in Abobra, but when you deal with tentacles, no, the net was so narrow. We are net make it to every year number of the amount, and you think that you are okay. So what if it doesn't work out? By that time, any funny moment I make us compactable. By that time, you are not become co. By that time, no one become co. And then you kind of prove with your own. When you are too obsessed in a relationship, say with the imagining him, or not yet. Final. Please, it closes a lot of opportunities around you. But now, the next one. But it prevents personal growth. It prevents personal growth. And one the ultimate the opening now, yes. Ultimate the opening now, our back for me. It is a Yamia Wadum, that's what you are branch here and the person in the name of that. Fine, it is good. Yes, but to go to that level into obsession, say, where you mistake me, Obienwa, right? Come now, I already have the option to meet you. The man crack coming to you. That is another definition of obsession.
About what to do?
The bush and penny crab a car, me see we are. Sometimes to the extent that or bunu prano or abusino. Bema is on penenim crave. What I Bema Nasaya Bonnie and Obana Saya Bonnie. Now, bra, I said, Kako Buntre, what love is about forgiveness. Love is that who be who that be who. Do not get too upset. Do not get too upset into a relationship. If you don't take care, you find out why you're too upset. You are not more yourself. Why? Because self-esteem, how you have been nurtured in your man to see our film as a man, as a woman, your mother yourself, as sorry to school, and you are throwing all of them away. And then because of what you call love, what you call obsession, what someone thinks what's within in there, you've thrown it away, and now you have now become a beggar with no choice. You get a brave way. Tell me, branch and an Obana will say what someone thinks I need. Again, no, what rest is beer. Rest is beer. It's a you would have been campu. So, and when we talk about obsession, these are some of the dangers that they have. But then the next one I want to talk about is conflict and argument. Yeah? So we have too much obsession to the person. Offer back one fa. Offer back one fa. Offer back one fa. Nothing I may want to now. There is your work at the
yes, okay.
One see and you see what it will be leading to. Argument and conflict. Now, if you are and I'll kind of about and then they take him down to her. So if you are in 30 minutes time, I'll come back. Maybe you didn't. From that 30 minutes now, pound 1 or 2 hours. Was 3 1. You see where it is leading to. The person is so obsessed with you there. On yes, all natural causes around. You didn't because on your own, he said you should be perfect all the time. Or no, of a so who said, who they get beer, my for your coaching. Of which also man in charge says, who any part that is you are working in an environment, and anything can happen at any time. Anything can happen at any time. If you start to say, yes, as I'm from a phone, yes, and today, since you send your no one, not send your no pedal, and then I said, but I was done from a crack, a soul. Now, who is it? If that's almost a tear, yes, sir. Then the next one person they definitely say argument in conflict in anybody. That's a branch and a warrior, the Guan.
A Guba.
The radio main Katabi. Yes, yes. Or the main Katabi. Say, they are our friend, let you must me Falco. They be our friend, let me Falco. Yes, I have fire. And a family one phone come up. Said, that's my good work. You must not say, oh, payment, young far. I get to see the emergency thinking out of my information. Name of a yet a normal comedy and the new baby. Some pretty carpet, you know, see. There be the mechanic so car. Put you radio super come up taking a corner and a half. Now, I found a what are there? It definitely, why is too upset? My upset now, attention to the now. When you ever no one had the attention, no one ever that don't. There's been don't time. What dear? Miana didn't who be again. Sister, and you have.
So divorce process and so what? And then yeah. Also by Chopin.
And the next one I want to talk about some of the dangers, of the isolation. One really, or one doesn't have a food. One say if somebody is too much obsessed with you, I'm not one after Friday, you don't even want to pick your friends' call. You don't even want to go for their program. Say you our dear naming ceremony. There's a fun idea before and after and more when you see. It's unfair. About one I imagine say what so much. A brand and I want to say what so much. They say a mummy you pay. You don't go anywhere. You don't want to associate, you don't want to socialize. And it's a very big problem. Obsession may be a true, I who back on. But now, Wabusia Funina Wabusia for Because they say, I am be against the world, of which it is never true. The two of you can live separately from the world. And sister, young can be a sada. So why are you so much into the person to the extent that you are avoiding him or her or telling him or her not to even associate with his friends, socialize? You can't do all the things to make him happy or her happy. You all pray why too much upstairs, want to mean funny name, man. But we pick it from all angles and the more relationship near this. Get to the sense that what the Bushan for craft, but I call now, oh, yeah, maybe I want to know my man now, papa, now, yeah, because I will do the know it. And Commander wouldn't know it. Now, your cat phone people in the Sabia, what for you, Maba. Oh, yeah, how you want to tell you, next your area so that you think. I overheard you, of course. That is where somebody has got into when it comes to obsession. So what decide any near the buffet and where then it cuts across the chest. It leads to that lack of boundary. They say because everything I was saying I explain to her. Whichever way it has to be because I said everything comes to bear. I mean, for her, say, one now for him, say, when it comes to that obsession now. Because they say, now, quite a movie against the world. It is beyond why I was saying, of which, any day, it is never so. We have boundaries in relationship. And then, your man in Anna said, but they could do that stage now. But now you can't hide anything again. Of which one can be after the woman out there, so the way I hear soon, because now, to me, and yes, and found. If I have talked about some of this, and I practice fine, I've even talked about one. But the next one, then, if you have some of the dangers, then here, and I said, you can't obsess now. So what two months, tone time now today will be not a exercise, no more way in the debate. Then, what are some of the ways you bet me a share, near to me avoid it, near to me with a no, you nipa, a toda. About a soda way, a soda thing. But the next one I want to talk about is love yourself first. Self-love. You got a self-love now. From now, then you bear one cut out of nothing. No one says so. No one respects you who you are. From now, not be here at this room could be a woman more, a down school. From now, develop that thing. Make sure you develop yourself. That is what is called self-love. That is what we call self-love. Anything that is in you, that you think that it is the best, it makes people, and I say, it makes you become who you are. At the end, when you and now, I mean, how to do that, this is who I am. And none of my person I can want them. So if that is the case, yeah, then love yourself so much. Then they are obsessed into something else. So Jawa say, and you will be jamming. And I will say, no, if you have gotten to that level whereby you love yourself so much than any other thing, it helps you. Some of these things will become, is it a bit self-absorption? Obi oko nim say e ti obi akata wo de wonim kasa o wo de ohuyefo wo de ono akata kra nim saade no wo de adwuma de ye kasa adwuma the whole world na aso ono akata kra recognize saade ne da. It is somebody who would have to tell him or her some of these things. But now, and the next one I want to talk about is you can say how to control some of these things. But now, my kind of say, but now before near Bushia, the other in your moon Mr. And Nuntina, Mawaya, what you say, I've done about one and now put on the Bobra. No. Family and friends can never be taken out of the equation when you want to avoid obsession. Because when your boyfriend or your girlfriend or your wife or your husband is unable to give you the joy that you are looking for. There might be somebody out there. There will be a down for you or there will near you or you will papa you or maybe or they are more than any other thing. They will give it to you. They are willing to offer help. So if a cost is if the person is able to help, but not a cat and I limited star of testing, so star the bar open and I have branches and Ababa one penny. So when family and friends, you engage them so much. When you engage some key people in your life, you engage them so much. While you isolate them, they are always there for you. You share ideas, laugh together, do a whole lot of things, go for programs and other things. It helps really, really much. Because some and I say they have also taken some part of your time. They have also taken. But then the last one I want to talk about here, dedicating yourself to activity. I mean, yes, and I'm not first American. I'm not there be a war movie now because I'm not developing. Dedicate yourself to so many things. Don't make it look like without a person you cannot live. You will be able to live. So dedicate yourself so much to some, and you may be it will bring some form of joy to your life. If you have to improve your talent, go to school. I mean, your career. I'm not yes. Turn your money now. Put a lot of energy in those things. Now, all those objectives into something else and like into one thing, and I say, it will give you something to think about, not only about one person, or not only about one thing. I don't know if maybe I will question.
No, my question, but your time was on. Sure. Well, that's